This is our room, just decent. Love the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. Oh, got a bath, Winnie. Oh, got a bath in here, as you can see. Yes, I'll be having a nice bath in here. I'm at a restaurant called Kiza. It's like African type of food. Today my outfit is orange, so I'm wearing orange and some leather pants. It's an African restaurant. Just see in here, the food was amazing. Had nyama choma with some plantain and a mocktail. Tasted real good. Good morning, Dubai. It is 9:30 in the morning and it is boiling. Today I'm wearing a kimono, some jeans and a crop top. Shouldn't really be wearing a crop top, but hey hoo. I'm walking alongside some shops and restaurants. Everywhere seems to be kind of closed this morning. Got a bit beat. Good morning, Winnie.
Breakfast is the most important one when we open today.
What's your name?
Nofi.
Nofi. Yes. Nofi. And
I don't have a lot of small bag.
it's okay.
You said Angela. Oh, you remembered.
Oh, hello. So tired. I'm gonna go to got some beautiful jewelry, got some nose rings and chains. Really got some cute things as well. We're in a car right now. We're gonna go Dune bashing in the desert. Should be interesting. She's sleeping right now. Here she is. Good night, Winnie. He's bashing the door. This is being squashing.
Did you enjoy the Dune bashing?
Yes, I thought I was gonna be sick, but I'm okay. Thank the Lord. Behind me we have the sunset. So beautiful. Riding a camel and it is really wobbly. Hey camel.
Wearing a jumpsuit.
This is the back of my jumpsuit. It's from Boohoo. Cute. How was your omelette? That. We're on the coach right now. Where are we going?
Abu Dhabi, baby. Going to Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
I am in Abu Dhabi. This is a beautiful, beautiful mosque. It's just amazing. It actually feels quite nice around this. Well, I won't lie, it's really, really hot out here. But into it. I am literally on fire. The sun is beaming on my big head. Currently at Green Lawn Dates. Bought some dates as well. Tastes quite good. This one here in my hand is chocolate with, I think it's almond, Winnie?
Almond and date.
So it's chocolate, almond and date. Tastes good. Can I get a woo woo? Can I get a woo woo? Woo woo. We're in Ferrari World right now. We've got the fastest roller coaster in the world. And I'm gonna ride this bad boy. So excited. She backs it all up. Mr. Miyagi. Really sorry, Sados. Hurry, curry. Look at me now. Hey. Look at me now. This is the fastest roller coaster in the world.
All the way from South Africa, Cape Town.
Cape Town. And your name? Oh, Shoki. Shoki.
All the way up from
Shoki. Shoki.
You know what Shoki?
Shoki and what a beautiful, beautiful baby. Quite futuristic style. Look at all the nitrogen. Today is, you know what I'm going to say, water park day. We're going to go to the Miracle Garden, Burj Khalifa and clubbing. We're going to ship club, small, you know, doing that.
You need every vibe.
Today I'm wearing all white because it's boiling out here. Just a choker, some sandals, all white. And my hair's up for once. First time doing my hair like this. So yeah. When they said Miracle Garden, I think they actually meant it. This park is filled with beautiful, beautiful flowers.
Marhaba.
Marhaba. This view is bomb. Oh yeah, the water park. So damn tired. This floor is literally so hot. Our feet are burning. It's like walking on fire. About to do the zip line. I just realised I'm scared of heights. This is a bit too much. Why am I doing this? She is too brave.
Hello. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh my god! Oh, it's nice! Ow, palm tree! Palm tree hit me. Okay. About to go to the Burj Khalifa. This is the world's tallest building in the world. Today I'm going for an oriental style. This is from Boudoir. It's got the birds in it with some red lipstick and a midi dress. Just eaten at the Cheesecake Factory. Their food is bomb. Definitely if you come here, go there. Have big portions too. Very tasty. To London today. Apparently it's really hot there, but I'm so sad to be leaving Dubai. It's been so lovely and I recommend any of you guys to come here. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and see you on the other side. Yallah.